WhatsApp Multi-Device 2.0 will soon allow users to link additional phone to same account. Remove your tattoo painlessly. A PhD student has invented a tropical cream for removing the pigment in tattoos painlessly. World at war with global food crisis. The world is facing the question of war of food presently. Warming temperatures and pandemic-driven supply problems have already threatened tens of millions of people on the edge of food insecurity. Malnutrition, mass hunger and famine could destroy many countries. The war and international economic sanctions on Russia have disrupted the supply of fertilizers, wheat and other commodities from both Russia and Ukraine. War is the primary reason for the current food crisis because wheat prices have risen by 50%, corn prices by 25%, sunflower oil by 35% and soybean oil by 20% since the outbreak of war. Just imagine that the two warring nations produce 30% of the world's wheat. Ukraine before the war was the world's breadbasket, exporting 4.5 million tons of agricultural produce per month. Russia must permit the safe and secure export of grain stored in Ukrainian ports. Ukraine ports have been cut off from the world by Russian warships. India is facing an intense heat wave and on May 13, 2022 banned wheat export because of less productivity. India has to meet the demand of 1.5 billion people from the country itself. Will wars achieve anything? What do you think? Rich source of vitamin D. Tomatoes turned into rich source of vitamin D, scientist says. Starlink in India. Pranay Pathli. Elon, any update on Starlink approval usage in India? Starlink's vision to provide cheap and fast internet connection all over the world is incredible. Starlink in India would be an absolute hit. Elon Musk. We are waiting for government approval. Live with dog. Living with a dog during childhood may reduce risk of Crohn's disease. Server room on Moon. A company named Lone Star Data Holdings wants to establish server room on the surface of the Moon.